Come on down. Get them Hollywood trades. Once again, we are on gold. Just finished with NASDAQ. It is a somber night. We are lacking on sleep. So we're gonna keep it short once again. I'm starting from the super top on gold right now, just so you can understand, right? Like once you understand this, once you understand the break and then the retest, and then of course the continuation, which I would call the rejection, you already see what it is. So, I mean, there ain't much going on. There's a lot more going on this chart than it is on Nasdaq right now for the daily scope of work. Of course, bullish, bullish, bullish. We swept this low. As we know, that does count as a. I'm gonna count this as a turtle soup because it is not the highest candle. It is not higher than the mother range. So this is what we would call a bullish soup. Not as powerful as a stop hunt point, which is this one here. This low would be the stop hunt because this is the highest candle. You know how we rock. Easy analysis has pretty much triggered the entry right here. Anybody wanting to ride this up for weeks, feel free to ride this up for weeks at this point. We are most probably on the way up to the all-time high. This is the ATH right there. And so we see we are clearing this range. We are going into a bearish block, but we do have the cover fire of this mother candle here. But this is going to be an interesting development because we did start the weekly off with a straight shoot up, but there was no real imbalance or weekly opening gap. So there was no gap or a void volume imbalance. So I am expecting some play around this level. We want to get a sweep of this low from this FEG. This would be the ultimate entry ticket to get free money. I mean, printing free money. I'm trying to tell you straight free money. Anybody who knows about those stop hunts and those fair value gaps, you know those daily fair value gaps are free money. We have imbalances above the range. So what do? We sweep the lows here into the POI. We sweep the liquidity into the POI, which is this range here. Take off. Easy claps in the chat. And we have an imbalance right above the range. I guess that's the only imbalance above the range. So that was the only imbalance that I had marked because it is the only imbalance above the range. It's just easy claps. Like we know we're going to the imbalance. There's no other reason to come up here. All the liquidity is taken and we are still charging. You know what that means. We are going to clear the imbalance. There's nothing more to really be said here. Trade your entries long from below these new candle lows and you are printing free money. Go ahead and share this with somebody who don't know what they're talking about because this is pretty much how it's done. You see it over and over and over and over and over when I point it out. So that's about it. It's like I said, super short updates here because it's just pretty simple. Price action has been really clean and there's no reason to confuse it. There's no reason to be talking about this and that and short and blah, blah, blah. This is pretty much what it is. So go ahead and take advantage of it while it's easy. Catch y'all next time.